Hi there. I am glad to introduce Platon.ai, and technology to scrape web pages automatically. PulsarAgents automatically collect web pages and transform web content into business-ready data, like Excel, web pages, and SQL databases. The whole process is very simple. You only need to provide a list page link, and PulsarAgents will handle everything else. Here is a demonstration of the entire process. PulsarAgents will collect product pages automatically. The web pages are now opening. PulsarRPA is visiting the site page by page. Now we have visited all the web pages and extracted the essential data. This is the scoring information, the price, and the logistics cost. Next, we introduce the technical details. There are 5 steps to achieve automatic crawling, extraction, clustering, annotation, training and prediction. Step 1. Crawl web pages. PulsarRPA is opening web pages one by one. It interacts with the web to ensure the collection of comprehensive and accurate web page data. Step 2. Cluster the web data. Now we get a clustering result. This column is the RMB price, and here is the product name. The clustering algorithm does not know the content of each cluster, and cannot give a name for each cluster. Step 4. Label each cluster. Clustering algorithms divide web page data into different clusters. We will request a large language model to generate a name for each cluster. We are asking the large language model, acting as a data analytics expert, to infer the name for each cluster. Here, the large language model returns its inferences. When all clusters are named, we generate an Excel spreadsheet representing an automatically labeled dataset. Large language models can generate all correct names with proper prompts. We can also manually revise the annotated dataset. We can ask large language models to find outliers in the clusters as well. We will combine this annotated dataset with the original dataset to train a supervised learning model. Step 5. Train the supervised learning model. Now the supervised learning model has been trained. This web page shows the prediction results of the trained model, including RMB prices, USD prices, product names, etc. The entire process facilitates the automated collection of web pages, encoding, clustering, labeling, training, and prediction. Once the supervised learning model is trained, we can directly use it to predict every field in web pages, achieving automatic extraction of web page data. The web page extraction technology, based on supervised learning, can be used to extract data from a large number of different sites. Training a machine learning model once, and it will work forever. Welcome to Platon.ai for more videos and materials. Thank you very much.